It's your girl Plus Barb, and I'm back with another video. Okay, you guys, so today I am doing a video on education. I'm doing an education video because when I first started my business, I always looked on YouTube on, you know, how to start this, how to do that. And I didn't see a lot of videos like this, and if I did see a lot of videos like this, they wasn't really breaking it down to me. So I figured, why not come back and do a better version of what I wanted them to teach me whenever I first started. So that's what I'm here to do today. But before we get into this video, make sure y'all go down there, hit that subscribe button, also give me a thumbs up, and hit that post notification bell so you won't miss out on any videos. It's free for y'all to do that. Y'all already here, go down there. Just go down there. I'm gonna wait on y'all to do that. Go ahead, do that. All right, did y'all do that? Now let's get into it. When it comes to starting your own business, one of the most important things is a price list. When you're making a price list, you have to include multiple things. You have to include shipping. You have to include fees. You have to include packaging. Blase. You have to include all these things. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna break it down to y'all to where y'all can really understand and get what you are trying to do. Okay, example. Say if I wanted to make a profit of $30. This is not what I do. I'm just giving y'all an example. So I'm gonna write it down. $30 is my profit. Okay. Boom, we got the profit out the way. We know what we want to profit off each item. Okay, so now this is where it gets kind of difficult. For me, I do drop shipping on my website. Drop shipping is so you don't have to pay all this money up front for hair. Drop shipping is they purchase the hair, then you take the money they purchased the hair with and purchase the hair, and they send it to your customer. I don't know if that makes sense. If y'all want me to do a video on that separately, let me know down below in the comments. But okay, so when you're ordering, this can be for any company. This does not have to be hair, because I have a hair company. This does not have to be hair or any of that. This is for anybody. So when you're coming up with your profit, you have to include shipping. You have to include shipping that they have to pay for, that your vendor has to pay for. So that's step one. So say if shipping is $20 for them, so you're gonna add $20. Okay, boom. So we have what we have the amount that they have to pay the vendor for shipping. Okay, cool. Then you have to charge fees. You have to add to the price of your product how much they charge you on fees. For instance, example, I use PayPal. There's a PayPal fee. It's like $2. I don't know. It's like $1 or $2. So then you have to add I'm gonna just say $2. You have to add $2 onto that onto that 20. You have to add $2 onto that 20 that we just added up that the vendor has to pay for shipping. Okay, cool. $2. So now we're at $22. Okay. So we got the fees out the way and we have their shipping out the way. Next, you have to include packaging. If you have a certain kind of packaging, you spent a certain amount of money on packaging, you have to include that on the price too, because you want to make your money back. Okay, for instance, packaging comes from anywhere from like $1 for each item, or it'd be like $1.50, $1.25 for each item, whatever. Boom, we're just gonna say $1. So now you have to add $1 onto that price because you want to make your money back for what you spent on the packaging. So we're gonna add $1 to that for packaging fees. So now we're at $23. We have the $20 for their shipping, the $2 for the PayPal fee, the $1 for the packaging. Okay, so next we have your shipping, what you have to pay for shipping. So I kind of estimate my products around, because you have to weigh the products and get the shipping amount, blah 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 blah. So I just charge $5 for shipping. These are examples. I'm not saying, you know, I'm just using examples. So you have to add five more dollars onto all these other expenses. Now we're at $20 plus for their shipping, your vendor shipping, $2 for the PayPal fee, $1 for the packaging, and $5 for your shipping for when you ship out to your customer. You have to add all these things up and then get the price of your product. Okay, let me get my phone so I can do this math real quick for y'all, you know what I'm saying. Okay, so we have $20 plus $2 plus $1 plus $5 equals $28. Equals $28. So all these fees, all these shippings, all this, you know, just extra stuff is equal out to $28. So what you're going to do is you're going to take that $28. Let me put that in a calculator. You're going to take that $28 and plus 30, which is what you wanted to profit at. Like I said at the beginning, right? I said we were going to profit $30. So you're going to take that $28 plus 30, which is your profiting, equals $58. So your total product price should be $58. Again, this is an example. This is not set prices on anything or anything like that. These are examples. So you're gonna take all those fees, shipping, blah blah blah, put it into one. Then you're gonna take all that one. Okay, you guys, so sorry my camera died. I don't know where it ended. But so what I was saying was you have to take all those fees, all those shipping fees, all those PayPal fees, all that. You have to take all those fees and put it into your product price, if that makes sense. So if my product is $30, I'm gonna take all those fees and put it into that $30, and then that will be your set price on your product. Like again, these are, like I said again, these are examples. So I'm not saying, and you know, I'm not a professional or nothing like that. I'm just going off of, you know, what I did for my business and stuff like that. But yeah, I don't want to make this video too long. That's all I wanted to tell you guys. But yeah, you can't just sell a product for well, you can just sell a product for $30, but I'm saying, like, if you're trying to profit $30, then you're gonna have to make your price higher because you have all these fees. So if you just sell it for $30, you're not gonna make any money back, because 28 of that is the fees and the shipping and all that stuff. I don't know if this makes sense on camera, but yeah, hopefully this video helps somebody, because I didn't quite understand when I was searching for it on YouTube and stuff like that. It wasn't explaining enough for me, but hopefully it makes sense. But that's all I have for you guys today. If you guys want me to do any more videos or anything else, please let me know in the comments below. And before you head out on this video, make sure y'all go down there, hit that subscribe button, and give me a thumbs up. And press that bell so you don't miss out on none of this knowledge. And we out. Peace.